Hey guys, Roman here, and if you love minis, you're gonna love this video because this is the annual British car conclave here in Colorado. And as you know, we recently picked up a classic Mini, and we were driving to the conclave thinking to ourselves, I wonder how many minis, classic minis, there are in Colorado. We thought, well, there might be a handful of them, but apparently not. Howdy. So is this a race car?
No, it's a street car.
It's a street car with a Honda engine in the back, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Do you ever race it?
No.
No, just for streets?
Yeah, it's not the stupidest car I own. That's the sad part.
What's the stupidest?
I own a Lotus 23 with a Honda V18 in the back.
It's pretty cool. I saw you do a little bit of faster driving, but you know, this worries me right there.
The headphones?
Yeah.
Why does it worry you?
Look, because it's loud.
Well, we're not wearing them.
Oh, that's true. All right.
It has an engine compartment now. It didn't have it up until 2 weeks ago. You were the engine compartment.
Yeah, so there you go. Better. Yeah, it's, there's a Honda hidden underneath there. A Honda engine, of course. So yeah, so if you love, this is the conclave right there. If you love minis, this is the place to do it. Is there a problem, Tommy?
Yeah. No, Darren just figured out that our tires are wearing unevenly.
Oh.
We've got too much camber in the front. Yeah, I can see it following you.
Oh, cool. Thanks, Darren.
Yeah.
Hey, how did you get one with an airbag? Isn't that too young to be imported?
Sure. Absolutely.
Sure it is, of course. This one's yours, Cooper?
So you can
These are the most valuable, of course, the original John Cooper S. I think this is the original John Cooper S right there. That might be the most valuable. Of course, toward the back end here, we've got some of the more modern ones. Andy's Cooper. So cool. Howdy.
Howdy.
That's a beautiful color.
Thank you.
I love that. Did you do that interior? Did you do that yourself?
I've got a friend that did the fronts, and that's a stock rear.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Thank you.
Well, there you have it, guys. A whole bunch of minis. I guess we gotta get going. All
Right. I remember that.
right, let's go.
Yeah.
This one's a little stickered up.
I think.
Literally.
Came over.
Are we going? Are we heading out, Tommy?
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, our interior is looking a little sad compared to some of these others.
I know, we gotta freshen it up.
Yeah, I mean, look at that big hole in the dashboard. Can you
That's
take this for a sec?
Yep.
All right, hold on here. Let me put my seatbelt on. So I tell you, I've never smelled so much used fuel. This is what it must have been like driving around in the 70s, huh?
Oh yeah, this is horrible.
So what are you saying is wrong with ours? What's the camber's too much?
Too much negative camber.
Yeah.
Which is wearing out the inside of the tire.
Okay, so we got to change that.
Oh, they're all adjustable. We have the adjustable suspension already, so.
Oh, we do.
Uh-huh.
Well, we got to get our car adjusted.
Yep.
There they go. Listen to them. All right, let's go. Oh, look at that guy. Oh. So what do you think? How does it drive?
Yeah, it's doing great.
Yeah?
It's really, really fun. Yeah, the engine is running like a dream. Single port injected. Yeah, it really is doing well. Oh, look at all the cars here.
They're all stopped.
Yeah, this is really cool. This is the Colorado Conclave. This is a yearly drive they do with all the kind of British cars in the state. And you just bring out any British car. There's Land Rovers here, there's Jaguars, Minis, of course. And you just zip around. It's awesome.
And of course, since we got our classic Mini, we had to bring it.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so let's finish up this video by saying that we love classic Minis.
Yep.
They are so cool, and they just bring a smile to everyone's face, right?
Yeah, for sure.
And look, I kind of even sort of fit.
Sorta, kinda.
Sort of kind of fit. Shouldn't I be driving? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This has just been a little behind the scenes of the Mini Conclave of Colorado. And yeah, come back next time when Tommy hopefully look at that. That's horrible. Look at that hole, Tommy. You gotta,
I've had it for 4 days. Give me a break.
we gotta fix this thing up. All right, see you guys.